the Miele Complete C3 Powerline. I ordered this from AO.com and the delivery was excellent, the service was excellent, and I could track it while it was coming. Firstly, the Powerline here unravels to 7.5 metres, so it's brilliant because you can do quite a large area. Just plug it in. We have the on-off switch here, which is great because you can use your foot, so if you're bending down to do it. There's different power settings, which is shown by the LED display. You can use it for curtains. You can change it to do upholstery, the settees, and your cushions. You can change it to do the carpet and rugs. Or you can change it to an economy setting, which doesn't use much electric. Or you can change it to a large tile, wood, carpet, or heavily soiled carpet, which is the maximum. I tend to use it on the economy one, which has great suction. I'll just show you by moving these up. The suction on that's only halfway, and it picks that up absolutely no problem at all. Turn it off for a moment by using the off button. You can extend the arm of it by press of a button, so you don't have to bend down as much to use it. And there's also a button on here which can change it from the carpet. You just press it with your foot, and you can do kitchen floors or wooden hard floors with it, which is very good as it has the wheel on here so it doesn't scratch your floor. If we turn it round, we've got the indicator here that tells you when the bag is full, and under here we have where the utensils are stored in here, so they easily fit on to the end here. By the push of the button it comes apart and they easily fit on if you want to do on the settee or anywhere in nooks and crannies, or your car maybe. And they just nicely packed away. There's 3 different sizes and they're nicely packed away inside so not to lose them. If you're doing the stairs, you can turn the hoover up right